life's aura comes a sacred dance. Carefree hands hold balance and chance, you see. By watching the walk, the soul learns more, gathering the courage to explore more of the space beyond the mind, that infinite opening beyond